Today we're gonna make these delicious avocado lime deviled eggs. Look at that. We're gonna start with 6 hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna take our deviled eggs and scoop out the yolks. 1 ripe avocado. Cut this in half. There we go. Pop out that. And we're gonna take the avocado and put it right in the food processor as well. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of mayo, garlic powder, and lime juice. So we're gonna do fresh lime. Squirt the lime juice in there. And then we need a little salt and pepper for taste. Mix this in our food processor. So we're gonna fill our piping bag. We can fill our eggs. Piping bag always makes it nice and easy. We're gonna top these off with some cilantro and red pepper flakes. We're gonna do a little red pepper. Beautiful. Love the colors, and a little cilantro. So we're gonna take some cilantro, chop some of this. The cilantro smells amazing. I can't wait to dig into these. These are beautiful. These would be perfect for a lovely brunch that you're having some people over, or holidays, Easter, Mother's Day. Oh my goodness, they look amazing. So these are ready to go. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.